Say hello, Jessica. So, what are we doing?
We're sleeping in the bathtub.
Yep.
We really should.
I think we should too. Well, right now we're just playing it. Right now we're just playing, but I really do think we're gonna sleep in here if we can find a way to fit both of us comfortable.
Uncomfortable.
Yeah, but how are we gonna sleep it?
It's good on the oh.
Hey, you ate all
That's
your,
not good.
You ate all your Sour Patch Kids. I'm gonna eat all my Skittles. They're my Skittles. How do you think?
Look. You want the Skittle? Stop. It's mine.
Yeah. So, we've had an interesting couple of days, haven't we?
True that.
They could have been interestinger.
We are the chop blockingest camera crew ever.
Well, wait. Hold on, camera. All of these videos. Can they see me? Can they? Okay, well, all of these videos will be going on the Jessica Kayla MySpace, which I don't know what we're gonna name it yet.
My name is Marijuana.
Yeah, my name is Marijuana apparently.
My name is Acidina. Just kidding, that name sucks. Think of my name. What should my name be? What should my name be?
I don't know.
Pill Poppin' J. Pill Poppin'. Pill Poppin'. You're marijuana. I'm Pill Poppin'.
Oh yeah.
Marijuana. I'm Pill Poppin'.
Because I do marijuana.
Because I keep it popping. I'm saying I'm Pill Poppin'. She's marijuana. Pill Poppin' and marijuana. I need to write that down so I don't forget. So I'm going to forget later. I'm going to be so mad at myself.
So I don't know what's wrong with us, but we've been acting like this for the past 2 days.
Woo, man. Her name is Mara. Not Mata.
Okay, don't pay attention.
Mara.
If I put this right here, Jess, will they still see me, or does it, like, show my boob?
I got it. Let's just put it that way.
Can they see me now?
You can see now.
Nah,
don't touch that. No.
Are you sure they can see me?
Mara,
Are
yes,
you sure?
yes, I promise.
Okay, so anyways,
What was my name?
Japill Poppin'.
Thank you.
Japill Poppin'.
Pill.
And so we've been piercing my cartilage. I have 2 of them. She has a lip thing and her ears done, and I plan on getting her to get her cartilage done too. But we've been doing it. And stop squishing my head. Stop.
Keep on talking.
Stop it. What?
Act like you don't see it.
Okay. So anyways, and we've been listening to music. And we're probably gonna make a music video next video. We did our makeup. Her makeup's still on, but it used to be better than that. And then my makeup was on. It was big and made me look like a slut. And then my brother came home and he had a long talk with me and Jess, and we went to go to the store. And yeah, and we're in my bathtub. What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing? We're in my bathtub right now. Stop it.
A million here, a millionaire. I am a millionaire.
You have to tape it like this. Otherwise it won't work.
My tongue hurts.
Okay.
I need to get somebody to fix that. Hit me up if you can fix that.
Yeah, that means make out with her, by the way.
No! That is not what I was... Yes, it was.
Right now, she's a complete whore. Oh, no, she's not. She just wants a make-out buddy. Not a fuck buddy, a make-out buddy.
Woo!
Okay, so I'm gonna stop the video now.
Why?
Because we're gonna make a music video. We're gonna sing.
Okay, then you should do it now. 1,